squishies, and I will be uploading a lot this week. This is my third video today. How mad is that? And if you can't hear me, it's because of my iPad. Sorry, and I've started my YouTube just like today, right now, like today. And please let me have 30 subscribers and 39 likes to this video, so smash the like button and comment down below for my next video. So let's just get started. So the first squishy that I like is this, sorry for the bad glare, is this spoon bone. I will show you one out of packaging so I can show you the tag as well. So yeah, this is the original packaging. Next one, if you hear any background noises, sorry, but this is the next one. This has yellow filling in it, and it's super squishy and definitely really soft. We don't really see these anymore, but I saw them on Silly Squishies. These two were the last one, so you can't really buy it now, because they stopped making it. So here's like the tag. Okay, so the next squishy is this. It's not really a squishy, it's more of a stretchy toy, but I like it and I cut it open, which I'm going to get another one because I'm really sad about that. And yeah, it's just really nice to stretch. So yeah. Next is, I know it looks like something rude, but please do not mention that. So next, stop, Mom! Buto means, you know. So here's like my mini panda bun. They're like the OG, so like that's one of my faves. Yeah, this one has the tongue sticking out. That's like super defective. So yeah. Next is squishy. Has a tag, and it says the green peacock. It's from the Halloween series from Silly Squishies. And here's like the tag. Can you see it? I know, but here's like the tag. So yeah. Next is another tag squishy, which is this melon turtle. There's actually a floppet turtle, as you can see it. Look at that. Here's like the tag. Sorry for the bad glare. This is really shiny. They should make it matte, but yeah. I'll show you the licensing really quick because yeah. Here's like the licensing. Can you see? Yeah. Next squishy is this mini marshmallow bun. And it's super slow rising, which I love about this. So my mum is washing up, as you can see right there. And here's like my squishy here. It's an Ampang Man, but it's not really squishy, but I love soft squishy just as much. And next is this like snow cone bear ice cream, and it's super squishy, as you can tell. And like there you go. But I don't recommend getting this because it gets defected quite easily and it's quite dirty as well. So, yeah. Next is this bread bun or face bun, whatever you want to call it, that is super squishy and it's I think it's a fake one, I don't know. I think it's a reproduced one. I don't know, but yeah, it's super squishy. Next is this Hello Kitty like mini cat, mini donut, mini donut. Not mini cat, and it's super squishy as you can see. Got that from eBay. Next is this like mini puppy bison slipper, which I love as well. It's a little bit squishy. See that? So yeah. Next is this like mini donut with chocolate drizzle. I love it so much because it's so slow rising. It's my most slow rising squishy ever. Like, look at that. I'm just going to let it rise. Take your time and I'll see you. Like what? Anyway, and my last squishy that I like is this little, like, I like density ones so that I can relieve my stress. So this is a spoon bun with yellow filling and it's super squishy, like not super dense, but I love it. So yeah, please thumbs up this video and what I said from the start. So yeah, and you must get squishies because they're so nice. You can get them from Silly Squishies, Squishy Japan, Delightful Boutique, Bunny for Wishes, Instagram sellers, eBay, Banggood. So many places sell squishies. So yeah, if you can't afford it, I recommend eBay or Banggood or Delightful Boutique because they're really cheap with their rare squishies. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. video.